Hello everyone, welcome to my Korean channel. So today I will show you how to make my local specialty, sata andagi. So sata andagi is a pastry similar to a donut. It's fried in oil. That's why outside is very crispy and the inside is very soft and sweetish.
So let me introduce a little more about this sweet. In Japan, this sweet is generally known as a local Okinawa delicacy. So Okinawa is the southernmost prefecture of Japan and is a popular resort and tourist destination in Japan and abroad. So Kikai Island, where I live, is physically close to Okinawa. So the dialect is similar and that this sweet and name is also influenced by Okinawan culture. In Okinawa, this sweet is called sata andagi, but my hometown it's called sata andagi. Yeah, sounds similar but slightly different, right?
So I grew up eating this pastry sata andagi. That's why I'm so glad I can share this recipe on my YouTube channel. So please enjoy this video. Okay, let's get started.
So these are today's ingredients. So you only need 6 ingredients and vegetable oil for frying. It's very simple. And I use sugarcane. So our local industry is mainly sugarcane cultivation. So we often use sugarcane. And if you don't have it, you can use golden syrup or brown sugar instead. So now let's make the dough. So first, prepare a large bowl. So in goes 1 egg and 60 grams of sugar cane, and stir until the sugar is dissolved and mix with the egg. And then next, add the flour and baking powder and mix until moistened. So fold the dough by cutting with a rubber or wooden spatula to make a soft sata andagi. So that looks pretty good to me. So finally, add the melted butter and knead the dough until it comes together. So the dough has a consistency like a caramel. So now cover this with cling film and leave it to rise in the fridge for about 30 minutes. So after removing the dough from the fridge, put some vegetable oil on your hand and put the dough together into about table tennis ball size pieces. The oil on your hand will make it easier to put the dough together as it won't stick to your hand. So now let's deep fry them in oil. So pour enough oil into the pot to reach a height about 4 cm and fry slowly at the low temperature of about 150 degrees Celsius. So when a wooden spoon is placed in the pot and small fine bubbles gently appear, this is an indication that the temperature has reached about 150 degrees Celsius. This temperature is the key to making them tasty. If you fry them at the high temperature of about 180 degrees Celsius, the outside will be burnt and the inside will be raw. So please deep fry slowly at the low temperature until the surface is golden brown. So please deep fry until the surface is nicely browned. Looks like this color. And there is a sweet smell when these are fried. So the crispy fried sata andagi is ready. So it may look simple, but the gentle sweetness of the sugarcane is spread in your mouth. And have a look, the inside is cooked well. So I will try the taste.
いただきます。美味しい。サクサク。
So freshly fried sata andagi is really delicious. Or rather, anything freshly fried food is the best. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!